Introduction. Authentication protocols are crucial for securing access to online resources and protecting user data. Two widely used protocols are OAuth and SAML, each serving distinct purposes in the realm of identity and access management. In this comparison, we delve into the intricacies of OAuth and SAML, exploring their functionalities, use cases, and key differences. OAuth, which stands for Open Authorization, is an industry-standard protocol that allows secure authorization of third-party applications or services to access protected user resources without sharing credentials. It operates on the principle of delegating access, where a user grants permission to a trusted service to access specific resources on their behalf. OAuth primarily focuses on delegated authorization rather than authentication. It is widely used in scenarios such as social media login integrations, API access, and mobile applications. SAML, or Security Assertion Markup Language, is an XML-based protocol specifically designed for web browser single sign-on (SSO). It enables the secure exchange of authentication and authorization data between an identity provider (IDP) and a service provider (SP). SAML focuses on identity federation, allowing users to use a single set of credentials to access multiple applications or services. SAML is commonly used in enterprise environments, such as accessing cloud-based applications or services controlled by different organizations. Key differences. 1. Use cases. OAuth is primarily used for granting authorized access to protected resources, often within the context of API integration or third-party application access. On the other hand, SAML is designed for federated SSO scenarios, enabling users to access multiple applications or services using a single set of credentials. 2. Authentication versus authorization. OAuth focuses on authorization, allowing the granting of access rights to resources without sharing credentials. SAML, on the other hand, emphasizes authentication, verifying the identity of users and securely exchanging authentication assertions between IDPs and SPs. 3. Architecture. OAuth operates in a client-server architecture, with the authorization server managing access tokens and resources. In contrast, SAML works in a federated architecture, where the IDP acts as the trusted authority for authentication and the SP relies on the claims provided by the IDP. 4. Implementation. OAuth primarily uses the authorization code flow or implicit flow for user authentication and authorization. SAML uses browser redirects to establish trust, exchanging SAML assertions between the IDP and SP. SAML assertions contain information about the user's identity and attributes. 5. Scope. OAuth typically focuses on user-centric and user-managed access, allowing granular control over the resources a user grants access to. SAML focuses on providing access to a predefined set of applications or services within a trust federation. Conclusion. OAuth and SAML are both essential authentication protocols serving different purposes in the world of identity and access management. OAuth is widely used for granting authorized access to resources, while SAML facilitates secure single sign-on across applications and services. Understanding the differences and use cases of OAuth and SAML is crucial for implementing effective authentication mechanisms and ensuring secure access to online resources. By choosing the right protocol for the specific requirements of a system or organization, successful authentication and authorization can be achieved while maintaining the utmost security.